All right. Good morning. It's Tuesday, March 24th. On Tuesdays, we do notes. These are the notes for this Tuesday. You want to add a new entry to your table of contents. Test notebook entry, March 24th, 2020. Circle basics. Some of this is going into the main entry in your test notebook, and some of this will be going into your glossary. Obviously, the situation's a little bit different than usual. We're not at school, but we're making it do. And mostly, we're on the same routine as we've always been. Yesterday, you had Khan Academy. I'll have some activity options for you tomorrow and Thursday, and then we'll have a quiz Friday. And it will be online snapshot quizzes for the time being. Anyway, please reach out to me if you have any questions or comments. I can meet with you online individually, or just text you back if it's easy, or email you, or post on Google Classroom. All of those are great. Today we have a foundational standard from 7th grade. That's knowing the formulas for area and circumference of a circle. And then a core standard from high school that you can find arc lengths and areas of sectors of circles. So that is a 4th quarter core standard. Something you need to show me you know how to do in order to pass the 4th quarter. Cool.